Welcome to ClearTask. In this video, we will cover how to quickly change or replace the color of any shape in Microsoft Word. First, open your Microsoft Word document, click directly on the shape you want to modify to select it. When you do this, a new tab called Shape Format will appear at the very top of your ribbon. Navigate to the Shape Format tab. Locate the Shape Styles section and click on Shape Fill. A drop-down menu will appear showing various theme colors and standard color options. Hover over any color swatch to see a live preview applied to your shape. Once you find the right color, simply click to apply it immediately. If you need a very specific shade that is not on the default palette, click on More Fill Colors at the bottom of the menu. This opens a custom color picker, where you can select the exact hue you need or enter a specific color code. From the same Shape Fill menu, you also have options to fill your shape with a picture, a gradient, or a texture. If you want the inside of the shape to be completely transparent, just select No Fill. To change the color of the shape's border, click on Shape Outline directly below the Shape Fill option and choose your preferred color. That is how you modify shape colors in Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tutorials.